they will stretch our back and how to do split. And if you want to do easy like that and do amazing split, so we will get started working. If you want to right, stay with me. I will show you. Okay, our back must be like that. So we will take with your back. So you want to do like that. Okay, back to the like that. And more for the side and stay in this position. So back. We will try to take left and slowly take down. Don't do like that, okay? We will do like this. So 2, 5. We work. After that, we will try to take left in our hand and hit 2, 3, 4. I will try to take the right leg much longer. This is perfect. Hands more good. And take this out. And 3, 4, and on 5, we'll try to relax. 1, 2, 3. So guys, if you want to do right exercise, so stay on feet, take feet more for yourself, and slowly open it with feet. 3, 4, and 5. Try take it down. Try take this subject. Take hands strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly back. Relax and watch my other videos because there is very